This mammal can sleep with one eye open. And it's not what you think. There are lots of animals who can do this trick, but today we're talking about a particular mammal that has mastered the art of sleeping with one eye open. And if you want to hear more fun facts about animals, make sure you subscribe so you never miss an episode. Now let's meet our mammal who can sleep with one eye open, the bottlenose dolphin. Dolphins are super smart, super friendly, and super cute. But did you know that they can also sleep with one eye open? Well, they actually close one eye and sleep that way. It's like wearing one sleep mask. And there's a really good reason why they do this. Dolphins live in water, which means they have to be aware of their surroundings at all times. They need to be able to see predators coming and also need to be ready to swim away at a moment's notice. If they were to fall asleep completely, they could miss something important happening around them, like a hungry predator getting too close. So instead of falling into a deep sleep, they evolved to only close one eye, keeping the other one open to watch out for danger. They are just like us in many ways. They get tired and just want to take a nap from time to time, but they can't afford to be totally unaware of their environment. Now, you might be wondering why they don't just take turns closing each eye instead of always closing the same one. Well, it seems that they actually do alternate which eye they keep open. It's not clear whether or not this is done so that both sides of the brain get a chance to rest, but researchers believe that it may be related to the fact that each eye is connected to the opposite side of the brain. By closing one eye, they are essentially giving half their brain a break while the other half remains alert. This way, they can still be aware of what's going on around them without getting too exhausted. You may also be wondering how dolphins are able to stay afloat while they're sleeping. After all, they can't just lie down on the ocean floor and catch some shut-eye. Well, dolphins have special dorsal fins that help them keep their bodies upright in the water. And they also have a special talent for swimming while they're sleeping, which kind of sounds like magic, doesn't it? The way they do it is by swimming near the surface of the water and using their noses to push themselves up out of the water every few seconds. This helps them breathe while they re-sleeping and also keeps their bodies from sinking too low in the water. Basically, it's like a doggy paddle, but for sleeping dolphins. When a dolphin falls asleep, it enters a lighter stage of sleep called stage 1. During this time, its eyes are closed, but it can still be woken up pretty easily. The dolphin's breathing slows down and its muscles relax, but it can still move its eyes under its eyelids and even wiggle its toes. It is also able to maintain a constant body temperature during this time, which is important because dolphins are warm-blooded creatures. After a few minutes, the dolphin will enter a deeper stage of sleep called stage 2. This is when half of its brain will begin to shut down. The dolphin will still be able to breathe on its own, but it won't be able to move much. Its heart rate and blood pressure will also drop, but it will still be able to respond to loud noises or sudden movements in the water. Once a dolphin reaches this stage of sleep, it will stay there for several minutes before returning to stage 1. At no point does a dolphin ever fall into a deep sleep where it is completely unresponsive to its surroundings. This would leave it vulnerable to predators and could potentially drown the dolphin. So even while sleeping, dolphins must remain vigilant and prepared for anything. It's like trying to study for a test while also being on guard against a surprise attack. Not exactly easy, but dolphins seem to handle it pretty well. We don't know exactly how long a dolphin sleeps for because they sleep at random times throughout the day and night. However, researchers estimate that they get around 8 to 10 hours of sleep per day. They usually sleep in groups, which provides an added layer of protection against predators. And they often choose to sleep near the surface of the water which makes it easier to monitor their surroundings. Even though dolphins are able to sleep with one eye open, it's not recommended to try this at home. Humans need to get a full night's sleep in order to function properly, and trying to study or work while only getting a few hours of sleep is not a good idea. That said, maybe we can learn something from dolphins about how to get better rest while still being aware of our surroundings. After all, they seem to manage it pretty well. Dolphins are amazing creatures who have found a way to sleep while staying safe. Their ability to close one eye and keep the other open means that they can always be aware of their surroundings and respond quickly if necessary. And their swimming skills, even while sleeping, is truly impressive. So next time you see a dolphin, remember that it is not just a cute, friendly face. It is a highly evolved creature that has mastered the art of sleeping with one eye open. I hope you enjoyed learning about dolphins. And remember, if you love animals, then you'll probably love our other videos too. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss an episode. And until next time, keep being awesome. We made this video because we love animals, and we hope that you do too. We believe that animals are amazing, and we want to share that love with you. We would love to hear what you think about dolphins. What's your favorite thing about them? Do you have any fun facts about dolphins that we didn't mention in this video? Let us know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more videos about dolphins or other animals, let us know that too. We're always looking for new ideas. And if you want to support us, there are a few things you can do. First, you can hit the like button. This tells the platform that you like our videos and helps us reach a wider audience. You can also hit the subscribe button. This ensures that you never miss one of our uploads. And if you're feeling extra generous, you can join our membership program. This gives you access to exclusive content such as behind-the-scenes footage and early access to new videos. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope that you learned something new, and most of all, we hope that you enjoyed it.